petitioners. Petitioners no ma boy pa. Anka petitioners now for petitioner against this Chief Justice. Anka yen said the Chief Justice is even weak in law. Or no law na okusua. Why no hon judge no. Ye Chief Justice you himself your Chief Justice there. Looking at your standing, your stand, I say we need law no pa. Petitioners na children say, or mampo no nim law no say no. Into if the petitioners had not brought this against the Chief Justice, we wouldn't have known the weaknesses of this particular Chief Justice. He's not the first fellow to be a Chief Justice. I know the first woman why Chief Justice that. And yet then no kwa di Chief Justice. Petitions are ba sa. Should you acquire a press conference be acquire the good and no. Look at this press conference, Chief Justice. And what are the reasons? Also, no, or call my section. Do lodge. Or kaya no akase de ne uncle major akwe kunu no. So you've been harboring over 40 years of the death of your uncle Major Aqua. Then you still have the mind to sit on people's cases involving those who killed him. That means that any relative or associated NDC ni case bowe nima sa ya una wedi for 40 years and now the judge no you see no ma be nima who say sana no tie. If you look at the cases that NDC brought, this Chief Justice sana enimo na enim say case na no bogu na ye kwa ye nyahwe kandaba beka no na uncle major aka na omukunu no. So all the cases that they felt they were NDC cases. How on earth can a Chief Justice of the third arm of government say this to the people of this country without no remorse? Or say manu kununu betena nche nti ayesana ayana papa. He has no he's psychologically down.
I said, no here rechiche.
What the chair? Say we do a rechiche on. That or no, Chief Justice, no. You are facing an inquisitorial committee. Where in the world? And they know the procedure. Odike, it's not about the appointment of the Chief Justice by the President.
It is about.
Odike, let me make my point. It is not about that. The Constitution names the President by appointed. The Constitution has put in measures to protect her. It has put in measures, and if we don't take time and we keep bastardizing our Constitution, okay, we'll come out with a useless Constitution.
No.
I'm telling you the truth. Look, let me tell you something.
It's not static.
When you are appointed, okay, hear me. If you are appointed, you swear between God and you. Okay, let me talk. You swear between God that you must hold fidelity to the people of this country and to the Constitution. So it doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter to be our point. Into the people for the say, don't say that. Don't say that. Look, don't encourage them. Don't they have look. These people have no sense of good governance. They have no sense of good governance. And with a midro and with a churro, so you understand. Look, you see.
We are your last warning.
Yes, my tier one. But look at this. You see, the MPP have no business talking about the judiciary or good governance in this country. Yeah, Mamu 8 years. What did they do to the judiciary? Odike, we need to have MPP for Kobo Judge or they be me Kyle saying and then me reference to that. The MPP have no case. They have no case talking about this judiciary. You will come her and MPP for Kobo. A pregnant woman was sitting there. What is their locus? And they cannot do anything. The MPP cannot do anything in the unlikely event that they win power. The procedure for removing a Chief Justice is very clear. No one can change it. It has never been changed. And no one can change the procedure. You see, a citizen can petition. Even the union government, there will be that provision. Because public officers, including the judiciary, the legislature, they work in the name of the people. So they should, yes. So there should be a way to petition against a chief justice. Do you understand? Or even the president.
Council.
No, but you petition judicial council on Monday. Won't even say petition.
Why?
Oh, please. An individual must send a petition there.
To the judicial council.
There's a way the speaker can be removed. There's a way the president can be removed. There's a way a member of parliament can be removed. When you do wrong, you forward Juma. For you now call on now the word journey a well rehearsed agenda. Now they are calling more. Now say make a certain political party nyansa pom no case baba say an beto and will remove you. He's not above the law. And no one will come to Ghana. No one will be a president in future who will say that may I made me chief justice baba made me a friend and saying EC boss. Beba, midway, it won't happen today, it won't happen tomorrow. In the future of any president, nothing will happen. We are not going to allow this message. This woman cannot come.
EC chair, I said it.
Yes, so me are my commoner. I said, if they breathe the Lord, they must go. Are they about those who have gone? If they are about now, Oma Conrano, Oma Chomo.
Maybe I want to appoint IGP.
Look.
Maybe and this about one appoint IGP. And here Ramama. I know where you talk on northern Nipaba. And was I call you easy chair. Now, because in future,
look, let me tell the people of this country, no one can remove. So one year Bonnie with Juma won't remove it. Don't encourage appointees. They should rather be looking at that point. They should look at the people of this country, the constitution, and work. With yes, no chrome Hanuman, Chief Justice to me for phone, what do you mean? Every another judge, no, I can say, may transfer with the Kumase because of someone, Obia buff at the court. You don't even respect your judges, you cannot even write a simple memo. What mean for penitentiary? How many minutes you used to write a memo? Decay? A judge, administrator of justice can take a phone and call judge what now will be cases the Dr. Opuni case and say unko kuma ko empo no onya court bi antenase ada punish no. Where did he go wrong? A chief justice can allow a majority leader to rush to parliament, then he will constitute. It's an affront. It's enough to constitute a panel within 24 hours at the weekend. The Constitution says that procedure na yedi investigate tokono and nemono. It should be in camera. Tokono cannot change that provision. And it's there. Why be holy press conference? And then then you are seeking public friend is saying masses to support you. And now to one way now a chief justice can allow his court to say that a member of parliament should be going to court daily. What is crime? I don't know. Was he involved in Galamsey? Galamsey is for Muku and Boyan court daily. People who were charged for treason, they were not asking them to go to court daily. A member of parliament, another arm officer of to go to court daily. You have allowed the attorney general to do all manner of and then MPP look. When the case started, at the beginning, almost petitions, why they leaking petitions? Who leaked the petitions to the public? We had members of parliament who were lawyers on Joy and other TV stations saying that they know the content of the petition. Who leaked it? After all, me a lawyer, and I'm a lawyer. My years of standing wouldn't have been like her. She has allowed herself for even junior lawyers, junior lawyers to write a name against her. And the Tokono and Keso Hun said, once Chachu Chikata was representing the petitioners, 1, 2, Tadio Sorry, Vamawono, he should know that petition, it contains substance. These are lawyers, they don't go and take petitioner, or they don't go and defend people when you don't have good cases. Because Omo bromo hwase. Once she knows that, no, and Makabe be indicated that time, no, when the chief justice or requested for 7 days, your mama man 10 days, you know, a reasonable person should know that no, the thing is waiting. There's something there. These are pointers. Petitioners, they are Ghanaians, and they won't sit down. In any case, if any of us were president, now say, we are president the petition, but following this procedure, you can't do anything about the petition. You can't do, you must let it go. Because those citizens will sue you. Yeah, you can't do nothing, especially when they say contain prima facie evidence. You have to go. So you say, look, whether you are the president, you are the speaker, you are IGP, the constitution is our standard. The constitution, the instrument appointed is our standard. You forward Jumana, now we hear Jumana in the name of the people of this country, in the name of God, will be unto me you. We are bonus in the Oba will put you according to the law. Chief Justice Party make us say, or no court a year, you're searching. Your court, your Supreme Court one man. They will search you before you enter. They should allow you to go. Now, who corner a pistol shall who couldn't also met nothing away? Not so you pistol no way, you know the shoot a man for the anchor. Why? Trump one and no the also is kind of they invest the FBI investigated him. All over the world, presidents are being tried. All over the world, other high profile people are being tried across the world. And Ghana, you can say we are the beacon of democracy. A head of an institution, a bona fide citizen of a country, a petition, then people, look, they can go to hell. They can go to hell. The procedure will continue. Procedure will continue.
While you are in government.
Procedure will continue. No one have started procedure and be and find in someone in shame. There's nowhere within the procedure that Omar Ben to suit either the president. The president is even has no hand in it. Why would he come and read politics and say there's partisan politics in it? How can a chief justice be talking like that? What you did is not partisan.
Yes.
To refer yourself to Major Akwa, who was the PNDC era, is not partisan politics.
Her behavior was partisan.
Yes, you don't do that and expect to go scot-free. Georgina Wood was there. Our mother, Gloria Kufu, is that the name? She was there. Other citizens were there.
She confessed, Sophia. Yeah. She said, now that I am out of the service, I can talk. Yes. Listen to me carefully.
Yes.
The woman made us to understand that if they appoint you, there are certain things you are afraid to do. The woman said it in public.
There be and yes, sir, no. So what can we? Yes, sir. Or say she's now been ungagged because when you're a member of the judiciary, it is difficult for you to say, not because someone appointed you.
Her mouth was zip.
Yes, her mouth was zip because no judiciary no woman kasa. Now simple because you know those days highly would you see a judge talking. And now holy press conferences. Chief Justice who put that. Those days I am Korano, who nam say judge in the field. But you know what, Johnny? If they pinpoint that this is a judge house, one person over for okra. This is a fact. I've lived with them. I never person make sure feel numpo. Today.
And this cemetery.
Yeah.
And the cemetery near the
Today, the judges have become Syria, Texas. One more Texas. Syria, Texas. They are on radio. They are responding to issues. Why? And you have a PR. Why do you do that? It's a institution. It's a woman engineer now.
Okay.
China, I bet to say that it's for the privilege alone. Now, the institutional lapses. I agree. There's separation of power. There's what not. We know some utterances of judges. Judges to me yen want to say there or no pono case na nyama na nkwa no hontono. Are we not Ghanaians? Do you want us to bring a chief justice from the United States or where? We must bring because you know that Ghana used to send justice to the Gambia and other countries. It means our justice system is good.
No.
It means our judges are doing well. So for me, I think that Tokonu or no say he went to the Supreme Court to evoke the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. All kind of say, or say, human rights were stampo my man yes and as your catcher or no what you chief your catcher said there be and can say high court and your embarrassment isn't an embarrassment a chief justice our law you don't even know that a class 1 lawyer knows that so if you want to invoke the jurisdiction of a court for your rights it must be at the high court and not the Supreme Court while could I feel back to you to a person or presiding
incompetent president appointed Ubia Ope. So whether incompetent or not, that person can be posted at that position. It's not because and yet
Chief Justice Smith's not case so no casa, no argue with lawyers. What sort of cantata is that? Huh? No, it's not case. Now then the lawyer will bring her back. That is not the issue. No, saying how would the Chief Justice be doing that? In fact, if I were also on resigning, also son or catcher, some also on resign, yes, or catcher, who say also on resigning. So we'll see how it's going to end, and we'll see whether it's going to embarrass her the more. When he was advocating for, open, what do you call it?
In camera.
There was someone in camera. I was praying that she come to public. He would have wept. She will whip. Look, say you know me in film. Can I say investigate on camera? Huh? She would have seen fire in her eyes.
All right.
Camera no pa man never be brain to me hunti ntimi nka. Yes, you hunu na hunu china. You know,
Timothy.
I think that the Chief Justice, the public appearance, the Obiana is about law, no. Our new law, and he's also being represented by a lawyer. He should take his case to the committee and not to the public, because the public cannot be her judge or her supporter. One more year polls, no public and so on. No, my brain, no.
Okay, what do you Remoy?
Nana, the woman say,
I'm ready to Uncle Obey MPP Niku for a foot, you know, and we in a minute. Last